Welcome to Lucky Samayal. Today's recipe is very excited snack recipe. We all love snack, especially if that is very crunchy. So today I am just going to share this wonderful crispy prawn fry. I can't wait to share it. So let's get started. So these are the ingredients to make a crispy prawn fry. Make sure you have all the ingredients. Firstly, clean the prawns well. Make sure you don't take the shell of the prawns in the edge part because it helps you to won't curl up into tight circles. We'll start this recipe with a marination of prawns. Take 500 grams of prawns and place it in a nice bowl. Now add 1 tablespoon of curd into the prawn and add the salt as you need it. Add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce into that and add a pinch of turmeric powder and add 1 tablespoon of pepper powder into that. You can add your lemon juices according to your taste. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste into that and add 1 egg. Now mix well. Make sure the prawns are well coated. Oh, I forget something. Yeah, that's the chili sauce. It adds spice and taste to the recipe. Add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce and mix well. Let it set it for about 30 minutes. To make the prawn fry, I have taken a non-stick pan. On the induction and pour the enough oil into that pan. Now add 1 egg into the separate bowl. Add a little amount of pepper powder and salt. Just slightly beat the egg. Take some little amount of cornflakes into one plate and crush that nicely with the hand. It crushed. So this is how it should be look like. Make sure you have taken the 4 bowls, which the first one is marinated prawn and the second one is corn flour and the third one is beaten egg and the fourth one is crushed cornflakes. Firstly, take the marinated prawn and coat in the corn flour. And after coated, dip in the beaten egg. And finally, coat with the crushed cornflakes. Make sure you have coated well. And coat all the prawns as per the instructions I have given. Make sure the oil is nice and hot. Now gently drop the prawns one by one and leave some space in between the prawns so that all sides fried uniformly. Once the prawns are nice and crispy on the one side, I am flipping on the other side. So the prawns are fried well. Let's take it off from the oil and drain the excess oil in the oil dispenser bowl. You can see the prawns are super crispy on the one side and nice and soft on the other side. You definitely should try this crispy prawn fry and you can enjoy it with the mayonnaise and sauce. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. And for new updates and uploads, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.